We'll guide you through how to use PowerToys Text Extractor. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials about using Microsoft PowerToys Text Extractor because they want a quick way to copy text from images. Start by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and scan the display carefully until you locate the PowerToys shortcut icon. Move your mouse cursor over the shortcut, then double-click the left mouse button to open PowerToys. Wait a few seconds while the program loads, and take a moment to look at the center of your screen until the main PowerToys dashboard fully appears. Once the dashboard is open, scroll down to the bottom right section of the home screen and look for the Text Extractor feature. You can also move your cursor to the left side of the screen and hover over System Tools. Press the small downward arrow icon to expand the menu, then wait for the drop-down list of features to appear. From the list, choose Text Extractor and the settings page will immediately open. At the top of the page, find the Enable Text Extractor toggle and press it to turn the feature on. Keep in mind that Text Extractor only recognizes languages that already have OCR packs installed on your computer. If you want, you can also change the activation shortcut to a different key combination. After adjusting the settings, press Save to close the pop-up window. Next, select your desired language from the available options. When everything is ready, test the feature using a sample text. For example, open Notepad and place some text on the screen. Press the activation shortcut and your screen will darken slightly. At the top of the display, you will see several mode options. Drag the plus-shaped cursor over the text you want to capture. The selected text will instantly copy to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it immediately wherever you need it. This tool is useful when you need to quickly copy information from images, documents, websites, or programs that normally do not allow direct text selection. If the extracted text does not appear correctly, double-check that the proper OCR language pack is installed in Windows settings and make sure the highlighted area is clear and readable before capturing the text again successfully.